Sunita Williams stuck in space. Boeing has a plan up its sleeves? Astronauts to stay in ISS indefinitely? All eyes on NASA's next move. Williams' fate rests on NASA and Boeing now. 2 months on. What solution does NASA have? Sunita Williams, Butch Wilmore await answer. 8-day mission turned into nightmare. 2 astronauts face massive health risks. What caused crisis in space? Another astronomical Boeing debacle? Starliner astronaut stuck in space till 2025? When will iconic astronaut return home? NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore are waiting on the International Space Station with bated breaths. Their trip to the ISS, which was supposed to last 8 days, has left the 2 astronauts stranded in space for over 2 months. The American Space Agency said they would provide a critical update on the Boeing Starliner mission on August 14. NASA would likely discuss the ongoing challenges with the Starliner spacecraft and the possible strategies for safely returning the astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore to Earth. The Boeing crew flight test launched on June 5, 2024 was Boeing's first attempt to use its new Starliner capsule to carry astronauts. The mission was part of the American Space Agency's Commercial Crew Program, which aims to expand access to low Earth orbit through partnerships with private industry. Despite a successful launch, the mission quickly encountered issues. After docking with the International Space Station, Starliner spacecraft began experiencing technical problems. The problems initially reportedly seemed manageable. However, the situation worsened as more helium leaks were discovered, coupled with the failure of 5 crucial thrusters. Despite efforts to manage these issues, the situation has left Williams and Wilmore stranded in space far longer than anticipated. NASA had mentioned that while its primary goal is to bring Williams and Wilmore back on Starliner, the agency is also preparing alternative options. One such alternative involves using SpaceX's upcoming Crew 9 mission scheduled for September 25, 2024. This mission could potentially bring Williams and Wilmore back to Earth in early 2025. As the extended mission continues, both astronauts are at risk of facing several significant health challenges due to the harsh environment of space. One of the most significant health risks faced by astronauts on extended space missions is radiation exposure. While orbiting approximately 400 kilometers above Earth aboard the International Space Station, astronauts are exposed to much higher levels of radiation. This is primarily due to the absence of Earth's protective atmosphere on the ISS. Reports indicate that during their extended stay, Williams and Wilmore could be exposed to radiation levels equivalent to 150 to 6,000 chest X-rays. Such high exposure levels increase the risk of developing radiation-related health issues, including cancer and other serious conditions. Another major concern for the astronauts is the impact of prolonged exposure to zero gravity on their bodies. On Earth, gravity helps maintain bone density and muscle mass through regular physical activity. However, in the microgravity environment of space, these natural exercises are absent, leading to the loss of bone density and muscle atrophy. The Starliner mission, which was supposed to be a significant milestone for Boeing, has instead turned into a complex and prolonged operation. The update by NASA on August 14 could offer more clarity on the path forward.